What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode, and on today's episode we have another viewer's question. So if you guys haven't already, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button before getting into this video. But let's jump right in. And as you know, if you have a question or you have an answer to something, leave it in the comment section below, help out one of the viewers, or just leave your question in the comment section below and we'll get to it. So this question comes from David Mercado. David Mercado, he has a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I don't know if that was a mistake or not, but it has 148,000 miles. After a trans rebuild, I started to have issues with the throttle body. I changed it and now it's the throttle position sensor. I changed that as well, but the reduced engine power keeps coming up. Do I need to change the main computer? Please advise. And thank you. You are welcome, David. So here we go. I wrote down some notes in this trusty notebook, and make sure you hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can boost the videos up. But let's jump right into the video here. So in my notes and doing a little bit of research more in depth to it. Now, the first thing that I instantly thought when you changed that throttle body, I instantly thought of you doing a throttle body relearn. There is a relearn for these throttle bodies. I'm not sure if the 04 Chevys or not had them, but I know a lot of vehicles do have a throttle relearn, and that's due to the fact when the older throttle body has a lot of carbon buildup and stuff like that, the computer actually compensates and kind of like situates the throttle body so it can run efficient with all the carbon buildup and the wear and tear over time. Now, when you put in a new clean throttle body and whatnot, the computer is still going to think the old one's in there and it's going to run, and that's going to make it run shitty. So what you need to do is do a relearn. Now, how to do this relearn on the throttle bodies on the 04, I'm not 100% sure. I've never had that problem with mine yet, so I haven't gone through it. I can look it up and possibly show you, tell you, or leave you a link underneath the comment that you left of what I found. Hopefully that would help. But in the notes, I got, first things first, the electronic throttle actuator, which was the throttle body problems, which you already replaced. Bad pedal position sensor, not sure if you replaced that. Faulty TPS, you replaced that. Some electrical issues like checking the connectors, if anything's corroded, anything's cut, you might want to check that. I think someone in the comment section below actually left that comment for you, and let's see if I can find him. Where he's at. Oh, his name is Traflaga 5136. He's the one who said that it could be a wiring problem, so shout outs to you for that. Like I said, the idle relearn, that could be for the throttle body. Now, if you want, I'll look it up for you and try to see if I can find anything, possibly link something down for you. And one thing I do have to ask you is, do you have any engine codes? Are there any engine codes on this vehicle? Have you got it scanned? If so, if they are, please leave it in the comment section below and let us know what the engine codes are so we can properly help you diagnose any issues. A lot of the guys on the video in the comment section below are trying to help you out as well, and I really appreciate that, guys. For those of you who are jumping in to help David out, love that sense of community that's on this channel. But yeah, David, let me know if there's any engine codes. Let me know if any of this helped you. If not, just keep communicating with me through the message in the comment section below, and I will help you as much as I can, David. So hopefully this really helped you guys out. For those of you who are new to this channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and throw a comment here and there on the channel for the YouTube algorithm to help boost this channel up, so that way we can continue to grow this family. Now, I want to say peace out, guys. Enjoy your night, and any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. Peace.